So I look really different from how I'm going to look in this video. Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. Today we are going to be doing a 3 looks 1 palette featuring my Druid palette. Now, Fantasy Cosmetica and Jordan from Fantasy Cosmetica was kind enough to send this to me. This was like my first PR thing. I was so excited. This was so cool. And I did get both of the other palettes as well, but those have left my collection. I just wasn't going to get enough use out of them. And then one of the palettes did cause me some eye irritation, but that's neither here nor there. We are talking about this majestic beauty that is the Druid palette. Also, yes, I did dye my hair differently. Big elephant in the room. I look a lot different than how I'm going to be looking in this video. And then I have recorded a couple introduction clips for like inventories with pink hair. So you'll see me flip back and forth throughout the next couple weeks, and then it'll be dark and purple hair after that for a while. So we're talking about the Druid palette. If you don't want spoilers, there's going to be a chapter or a timestamp somewhere on the screen. You can just click that. I'll give you a second. But if you don't care about spoilers and you're like, whatever, it is what it is, I just want to see the things. I am using my Druid palette for this video. I am actually wearing a couple shades from this palette in this eye look as well. I do have, these were the last 2 shades I needed to use for the No Pan Left Behind challenge portion that I try to give all of my palettes. So I tucked those on my lower lash line today, these 2 guys, and I'm very happy about it. Otherwise, this is very much not a Druid inspired look. You guys will have to let me know which look out of the 3 are your favorites. And then, yeah, let me know if you recreate any of these. You can tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it, that kind of thing. But let's just jump into look number 1. That was like a month ago at this point. So I would love to know which look out of the Druid palette was your absolute favorite that I did. Maybe you got some inspiration to use some shades that are sitting in your collection that you're a little intimidated by. Look number 1, the like red with, I'll show you the shade. The red green kind of look using this shade down here. That is, oh my goodness, Transformation. One of my favorite shades in this palette. I absolutely love it. It was so cool for like Christmas time for me. I wore it to a lot of my family's like celebration stuff. Pretty darn happy with this. This is like total grungy winter fall for me, and I'm so happy that this is in my collection. I truly love this palette and this formula so much. Metallics and shimmers, so good. They're so good. So that is it for this video. Let me know if there's any other palettes that you would like to see a 3 looks 1 palette style. They're not my most watched videos on my channel, but I really like putting them together and like sharing them with you guys. I do have a new palette on the way to me. It should be delivering today. So it's more of a mainstream palette. So I'm wondering maybe I can do like a 3 looks 1 palette, let you know if it's worth your money, because it is a newer palette by So leave that in the comments below. It's that Pinker Times Ahead palette. Let me know if you want to see like a 3 looks and a review on that palette. I'm more than happy to film that for you guys next. But let me know any other video inspiration that you guys want to see. If you want any look inspiration, if you leave me little comments of any palette that you want to see a 3 looks 1 palette of that you know that I have in my collection now, or if you want to wait until I post that palette collection video for 2023, happy to film it after that as well. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!